The ZYXEL GS1900-16 Smart Switch offers a robust networking solution with 16 Gigabit Ethernet ports, ensuring high-speed connectivity for your business. It features a fanless design that guarantees quiet operation, making it perfect for environments where noise levels need to be minimized. This smart managed switch includes a web-based setup wizard, allowing for quick and easy configuration and management, even for non-IT staff. The switch supports advanced Layer 2 features such as VLAN, QoS, and IGMP Snooping, enhancing security and network management capabilities. With its Power over Ethernet capabilities, the GS1900-16 can supply up to 30 watts per port, making it ideal for powering devices like IP cameras and VoIP phones. The ZYXEL GS1900-16 comes with a lifetime hardware warranty and free firmware upgrade support, ensuring long-term reliability and performance.